Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip.com. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about trip.com and you will click here. In this window, we will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage and then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.